Oh, hi. Have you ever been brushing your hair and wonder, how does my hair grow? How does my hair get its color? And what does the structure of my hair look like? Well, today is your lucky day. And fun fact, did you know you're born with over 5 million hair follicles in your body and over 1 million in your head? Well, let's get into it. Okay, so hair color and hair growth consist of 3 main parts. We have the hair bulb, the hair root, and the hair shaft. The hair shaft is the top portion of the hair that we can see that extends out from the skin. The root extends from the bulb to the surface of the skin. And the bulb extends from the root deeper into the dermal layer of skin. The dermal layer of skin is the inner layer of the 2 main layers of our skin. So, the hair follicle, seen here, is a sac or tube that surrounds the hair root and it extends into the dermis. And it consists of an outer connective tissue that is originated from the dermis and an external epithelial root. There is also an internal epithelial sheath. But the main part of the bulb here is the germinal matrix, which is the growth zone. So cool. The germinal matrix is also involved in hair pigmentation. Hair pigmentation is what gives our hair color, the pigment of our hair. This growth zone consists of epithelial cells that protrude into the germinal matrix, where the hair papilla, which is composed of connective tissue and houses nerves and blood vessels that nourish the germinal matrix. Melanocyte cells are also present in the germinal matrix. These cells are the ones that are responsible for hair pigmentation. They are very unique cells. These cells have unique membrane-bound organelles called melanosomes. So hair is formed by cells in the matrix. These cells in the germinal matrix undergo mitosis, or cell division, and move upwards in the hair follicle and become keratinized. Keratinized cells being cells that were once alive, but filled with the keratin protein as they matured, causing them to lose their organelles and they die. Hair in the scalp usually grows ½ an inch per month, or 5 inches per year, with body hair growing more slowly. The hair on your scalp can live between 2 and 6 years. These hairs then die and are replaced by new ones. It's a whole cycle. And have you ever wondered about graying hair as we age? Well, as we age, hair may thin or baldness can develop, with genetics being the main cause. But since our hair is composed of these melanocyte cells that we mentioned earlier, they release the pigment melanin, which then enters the keratinized cells and gives the hair its color. There are 2 types of pigments that are released: a darker eumelanin and a lighter pheomelanin. They can blend to form a wide range of colors. Hormonal and environmental factors can contribute to hair color as well. But as we age, melanin production decreases, which makes our hair appear gray. And eventually, melanin production just stops, producing white hair. But do we have something that helps us keep our hair youthful and moisturized as the aging process does go on? Yes. And let's get into it. Apart from the diagram that wasn't mentioned earlier was the parts that make up the hair follicle. So we have the medulla, the cortex, and the cuticle. Okay, so here is the whole hair shaft. Right here we have the sebaceous gland. This gland secretes an oily substance called sebum. The sebum lubricates and conditions the hair, which prevents it from becoming dry and brittle or easily damaged. Something fun about hair is goosebumps. By the bulb of the hair, there is a muscle called the erector pili. This muscle is activated as a response to cold temperatures or emotional change. It pulls on the hair follicle, elevating the hair, producing goosebumps. And that is the basics of hair growth, hair structure, and hair color. And a couple fun facts.